Say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Christian, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Say hello.
Hello. Yeah, I used to always want to talk about it in my
Excuse me.
ever.
Hello, say hello to the camera.
Oh, you got a different one?
Yeah. Katie, say hi to the camera. I don't know if they can see you, but say hello.
Hello.
My name's Emily. I have a camera. Say hi to the camera, Emily.
Hi, this is your cameraman. Camera woman, I don't know.
The pillows and blankets are all in there, ready to go.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I just folded up in there.
It's nice when it's raining because they can just flip theirs open and I got like pitching like my tent.
You also everything.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You just
That's the big one. And then you can climb down in the morning and
quick.
roll everything in.
So we're good with this.
Who's leading this outfit?
I guess we can.
Word. Someone with unlimited data. Phone bill is
My fucking tablet has unlimited data.
$40 a month.
So is my.
Bye.
Oh god.
Well, wait, you gotta make sure the comms work. Stupid.
Well, Robinson and I tested mine when I flew by on breaking the sound barrier on the interstate. He was literally driving past us as we were getting on the on-ramp. I was like, bye, Robinson.
We're always on channel 2?
Yeah, we just keep on at 2-1.
Oh, okay.
Don't really know a lot about radios. I'd like to.
Hey, babe.
Communication squadron for
I'll
6
get a
years. I know
Tundra.
shit about radios.
Yeah, you know.
I should do.
getting a Tundra.
That's right.
Hello.
Don't do that.
Feedback.
It is not fun.
Shut the fuck up.
How do you feel? How do you feel about this?
Oh, for sure. It's strange, but we did a little interview yesterday, so hopefully.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, we set the camera up. And me and Nick, we had my Bronco and his Jeep beside each other, and we did a little introduction to it. Hopefully, we'll see how it goes.
Oh, okay.
It's weird talking on the camera.
Camera.
It's very.
I don't think it's too weird.
Not as weird as her.
Really?
Sorry, I'm like a tree out there shade.
I'll be like a
A regular Block 19 right now is like $700.
That was a bad dad joke.
Last Robinson. Angle your camera down before you start filming anything. That thing's looking at the sky.
I haven't messed with it.
Okay.
Elon. It's on that piece of paper. Oh no, it's on the picture I sent you. Not the picture.
Yeah, I heard him. You ready?
Yeah.
I do.
Christian, what are we doing right now?
We're visiting one of my various locations. The only thing I really am disappointed with is that, you know, the bushes could have been a little bit more pointy, but it's a pretty snazzy joint.
Yeah.
When this place is popped, when the sun goes down.
So, why are we sitting here?
Because Holiday don't know how to follow directions. It's all Andrew Holiday's fault. There he is, right there. He just drove right past us again. He
Seriously?
literally just drove right past us.
How do you feel about this inconvenience?
Very annoying.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I'd like to.
Hey, buddy. You drove past us again.
I didn't see anywhere named Cricket.
Here comes Holiday. Hey, Holiday.
Wow, already.
Christian and Nick want to know why you're stupid.
It was Christian's fault, not mine.
That's all you got to say.
Yep. That's all I have to say.
Those things are.
Hey, we made it. It was a good start to the trip.
So what happened out there?
Everybody went the wrong way and I went the right way.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
All right, well.
100%.
So where did we turn into?
What street?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know.
Or not street, but
Helen Street.
Helen Street.
We are somewhere in downtown Helen, basically following the crowd. I think we're gonna do a little souvenir shopping and explore the German culture of Helen. It's guten Tag, ich liebe dich, Dankeschön, Wiedersehen, yeah?
Hey, va? Va?
See, bueno.
Si bueno.
Oh, look, an electric Mustang.
Oh. Dang, these are some steep steps. Do it, do it. I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
We came in through the back. So there is a place to park.
Don't make me my mom.
Been in this one, and then we came in through the back, so there was a place to park back there. Because you see, you can pass everything on walking.
What do you think of this place?
Huh?
What do you think of this place?
Very touristy.
Yeah. What do you think of this place, Holiday?
It's got a lot of gifts in it.
Yeah, that's about it. Look at the slingshots.
We bought a slingshot for Nicholas. It didn't last long.
Oh, dang. I always keep coming back to you somehow.
That's what I. So there was a clean one.
Because, we got the big. That sounds high, don't it? They can buy a t-shirt for that. I haven't ever noticed that. Yeah, I couldn't tell you. That's a new one on me. Where are you, Nicholas? Where are you going?
Appreciate it. Thank you. I don't know. Mine works, man. As soon as anything gets low, it check gauges.
I like to wing it.
Yours is more of a daredevil.
6 miles to the gallon?
That's what I got on the way up here. That's getting out.
Huh?
That's getting out.
That's what it's getting.
0.
Oh.
So, your parents had a good point. There's a sign like right here says no left turn on Saturday or Sunday.
Yeah.
Saturday.
So how was the drive? Whew. Jesus
Don't
Christ.
fall. These are long stairs.
I got him.
It was long and slow. Helen is super packed right now, but I think it'll be worth it. We're about to eat some pizza.
Oh, nice. I can smell it.
We've been here before. Oh, look at the cool mirror. Beautiful. I think that's pizza. The Mona Pizza.
The Mona Pizza.
He was so. Because he said he'd let me know Tuesday. He'll have an answer for me Tuesday. Yeah. So I didn't sleep with him. So.
Your bathroom looked worse than Steven's does back then. What is this?
Dude, did you?